looking at an apartment.
Hello, are you Mark?
Yes, I am. You must be Sarah.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Come on in.
Wow, it is very bright.
Yes, the living room gets a lot of sunlight.
I like the wooden floor.
Thanks. It is brand new.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms. Let us look.
Oh, this bedroom is quite big.
Yes, and it has a nice closet.
Is there a monthly maintenance fee?
No, everything is included in the rent.
How much is the rent?
It is $1,200 a month.
Okay, is a deposit required?
Yes, 1 month's rent as a deposit.
Are pets allowed here?
Small pets are fine, like a cat.
That is perfect. I have a cat.
Great. Do you want to see the kitchen?
Yes, please, I love cooking.
Here it is. The stove is gas.
It looks very clean.
We clean it before every new tenant.
I really like this place.
Wonderful. I can send you the application form tonight.
Thank you so much, Mark.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Packing boxes.
Emily, can you pass me that tape, please?
Sure, here it is. Are you done with this box?
Almost. I just need to pack these books.
Do we really need all these books?
Yes, I love reading them.
But they are very heavy.
I know, but I cannot throw them away.
Okay, put them in a small box.
Good idea. Big boxes get too heavy.
What about these old shoes?
I do not wear them anymore.
Can we donate them?
Yes, let us put them in the donation bag.
Perfect. Where is the black marker?
I think it is on the kitchen table.
Got it. I want to label the boxes.
Yes, write kitchen on that one.
What goes in this big box?
The pillows and blankets can go there.
They are light, so that is good.
Do we have enough bubble wrap?
No, we need to buy more.
I can go to the store later.
Thanks. We have many fragile glasses.
Let us pack those last.
Yes, we do not want them to break.
We are making good progress today.
We really are. Let us take a quick break.
Sounds good. Let us have some tea.
I will make it right now.
Renting a van.
Hello, welcome to City Rentals. How can I help you?
Hi. I need to rent a moving van for tomorrow.
Sure. What size do you need?
I think a medium van is fine.
Okay. For how many days?
Just for 1 day.
Let me check our system. Yes, we have one available.
Great. How much is it per day?
It is $80 per day, including insurance.
Does that include unlimited mileage?
No, it includes 100 miles. Extra miles are 50 cents each.
That is fine. My new apartment is very close.
Perfect. Can I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You need to return it with a full tank of gas.
No problem. I can do that.
Do you need to rent any moving blankets or a trolley?
Yes, a trolley would be very helpful.
That is an extra $10.
That is fine. Please add it to the bill.
Okay, how would you like to pay?
By credit card, please.
Great. Please insert your card here.
There you go.
Thank you. Please sign here.
What time can I pick up the van tomorrow?
Anytime after 8 in the morning.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe move tomorrow.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
Meeting the neighbor.
Excuse me, hello.
Oh, hi there.
Hi, I'm Anna. I just moved into apartment 4B.
Welcome to the building. I'm John. I live in 4A.
Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too. How is the moving going?
It is very tiring, but almost done.
I understand. Moving is a lot of work.
Yes, it is. Quick question. Where do we put the trash?
The trash bins are in the basement.
Okay, and which day is trash day?
They empty them every Tuesday and Friday morning.
That is good to know. Thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything.
Actually, is there a grocery store nearby?
Yes, there is a small supermarket just around the corner.
Oh, that is very convenient.
And there is a great coffee shop down the street.
I love coffee. I will try it tomorrow.
It is called the Daily Grind. The pastries are amazing too.
Thanks for the tip.
Are you moving alone or with family?
Just me and my dog.
Oh, what kind of dog do you have?
He is a small golden retriever.
How nice. This building is very dog-friendly.
That is great to hear.
Well, I will let you get back to your boxes.
Thanks, John. See you around.
See you, Anna. Have a good evening.
Buying secondhand furniture.
Hello? Are you Claire?
Yes, I am. You must be James.
Yes. I am here to look at the dining table.
Great. Come this way. It is in the dining room.
Oh, it looks very nice.
Yes, it is solid wood. We only have it for 1 year.
Why are you selling it?
We are moving to a smaller apartment, so we do not have space.
I see. Are the chairs included in the price?
Yes, all 4 chairs are included.
The table has some small scratches here.
Yes, just a few, but they are not very deep.
The listing says $150.
Yes, that is correct.
Would you take 120?
Can we do 130?
Okay, 130 is fair.
Great. Thank you.
Can I fit it in my car?
The legs can come off easily.
Oh, that is excellent. Do you have the tools?
Yes, I have an Allen key you can use.
Perfect. I can take it apart now.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Here's the cash.
Thank you very much.
I am glad I found this. It is perfect for my new place.
I hope you enjoy it.
Setting up the internet.
Hello. Thank you for calling NetSpeed. How can I help you?
Hi. I just moved into a new apartment and need internet.
Congratulations on your move. What is your new address?
It is 12 Pine Street, apartment 3.
Let me check the connection there. Yes, we can offer fiber internet.
Great. What are the speed options?
We have a basic plan at 50 megabits and a fast plan at 200.
I work from home, so I need the fast plan.
Excellent choice. That is $45 a month.
Is there a contract?
Yes, it is a 12-month contract.
Okay, that is fine. Is there an installation fee?
Normally it is $50, but it is free this month.
That is great news.
We need to send a technician to install the router.
When can they come?
We have an opening this Thursday afternoon.
Is there any morning appointment? I have meetings in the afternoon.
Let me see. We have Friday morning at 9.
Friday morning works perfectly for me.
Great. I will book that for you. What is your full name?
Ryan Miller.
And your phone number, please.
It is 555D0192.
Perfect. I'm sending a confirmation email now.
I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. The technician will call you before they arrive.
Excellent. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for choosing NetSpeed. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Registering at the local clinic.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I need to register as a new patient, please.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Do you live nearby?
Yes, I just moved to Oak Road.
Great. That is in our area. I need you to fill out this form.
Okay. Should I fill it out now?
Yes, please. You can sit over there.
Do I need to show any ID?
Yes, I need a photo ID and proof of address.
I have my passport and a utility bill. Is that okay?
Yes, that is perfect.
Okay, here's the form.
Thank you. Let me check it.
Is everything correct?
Yes, it looks fine. I will enter your details into the system.
How long does the registration take?
It takes about 48 hours.
Can I book an appointment now?
Is it urgent?
No, just a routine checkup.
Then we can book you for next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday is great. What time?
We have 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock.
10 o'clock is better for me.
You will see Dr. Smith.
Is she nice?
Yes, she is very friendly and popular with patients.
Great. Thank you.
You are all set. See you next Tuesday.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me. Can you help me? I am a bit lost.
Sure. What are you looking for?
I am looking for the nearest post office.
Oh, it is not too far from here.
Great. How do I get there?
Walk straight down this street for 2 blocks.
Okay, straight down this street.
Then turn left at the traffic lights.
Left at the lights. Got it.
It is on the right next to the bank.
Is it a big building?
No, it is quite small, but it has a red sign.
Okay. Can I walk there?
Yes, it takes about 5 minutes.
That is very close.
Are you new to the area?
Yes, I just moved here yesterday.
Welcome. It is a really nice neighborhood.
Thanks. It seems very friendly.
It is. There is also a great bakery near the post office.
Really? What do they sell?
fresh bread and amazing croissants.
Oh, I must try it.
You should. It is called the bread basket.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all.
Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your new home.
Thanks, I will.
Bye.
Unpacking the kitchen.
Where should we put these plates?
Put them in the cupboard next to the sink.
This one?
Yes, that is perfect.
Okay, the plates are in. What about the cups?
They can go on the shelf above the plates.
Good. It is easy to reach them there.
Exactly. Where is the box with the cutlery?
I think it is under the table.
Let me see. Ah, yes, here it is.
Great. The knives and forks go in the top drawer.
Yes, I bought a drawer organizer for them.
That is very useful.
Where are the pots and pans?
They are in that big box over there.
They should go in the deep cabinet under the stove.
I will put them there now.
Thanks. This kitchen is a bit small.
Yes, but it has enough storage space.
That is true. We just need to be organized.
Do you want to unpack the food now?
Yes, let us put the dry food in the pantry.
And the milk and butter can go in the fridge.
Is the fridge cold yet?
Yes, I turned it on 3 hours ago.
Excellent. It feels nice to have a clean kitchen.
Yes, we can make dinner tonight.
Let us order pizza instead. I'm too tired.
That sounds like a great idea.
Perfect. I will order it now.
Hosting a housewarming party.
Mia, come on in.
Hi, Leo. Congratulations on your new apartment.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad you could make it.
This is for you, a little plant for your living room.
Oh, thank you. It is beautiful. I will put it on the windowsill.
It needs a lot of sunlight, so that is a good spot.
Perfect. Let me take your coat.
Thanks. Wow, your place looks amazing.
Thank you. It took a lot of work to unpack everything.
I can imagine. The colors are very nice and warm.
I painted the walls last weekend.
You did a great job. It looks very professional.
Thanks. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have water, orange juice, and soda.
Orange juice, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Is anyone else here yet?
Not yet. You are the first one.
Oh, great. I get the private tour.
Yes. Let me show you the balcony first.
Oh, you have a balcony?
Yes, it is small, but it has a nice view of the park.
Wow, this is wonderful. You can sit here in the summer?
Yes. I want to get some chairs for it.
That would be lovely.
And here's the kitchen.
It is very modern. I love the countertops.
Thanks. I really enjoy cooking here.
I am so happy for you, Leo.
Thank you, Mia. It really feels like home now.